Watch how canceling a gym membership turns into a...
Hello?
Hello?
Let's speak to Ken.
This is Ken.
Hello, Ken. This is Deputy Murphy with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. How are you?
I'm well.
Okay, so I need to talk to you about an incident that just happened up here at the at your gym.
I'm not familiar. Go ahead.
Do you go to a gym?
Yeah.
You go to were you up at Crunch Fitness today?
No.
So you was not at Crunch Fitness today.
No.
So that wasn't you who pulled the fire alarm.
I don't know what you're speaking. I did have a gym membership. I don't use, and I was trying to cancel, but I don't know what it is.
So I'm asking you. I'm just asking you. Were you up at Crunch Fitness today?
No.
No, not at all. So it wasn't you that was up at Crunch Fitness.
No.
Okay. If I have any more questions, I'll be contacting you.
Okay. Thank you.
So how sure are you guys that it was her?
Pretty sure.
Oh, because she said she wasn't up here.
She said she wasn't here. She was here yelling at me.
I'm just saying what she said.
Yeah.
She's like, no.
You can probably get your camera footage.
No, he can't. I have to email someone to get it.
Okay.
She said she wasn't here, but we have her checking history too.
I do. Now, when Crunch does they face pop up when they scan their card?
Yes, we have a picture.
Okay. Is there a way I can get a printout of that, of first scanning it? Or no? Hello. Are you busy? Yeah, a little bit. Hey, question. So did you see the young lady pull the fire alarm, or you just
I
heard
didn't
it?
see it. I just heard the click sound, and then I heard the door open and the fire alarm went off.
All right, you just see somebody walking away.
I saw her walk past, but she was behind me when
Gotcha.
I didn't physically see it.
I appreciate it.
You want her checking history?
No, I just didn't see if she actually checked in today. All right, you can positively identify her, right? Okay, you have your ID? Okay, so just briefly tell me what happened.
She came in to cancel. Karen came in to cancel. Yeah. I told her she has to speak to the general manager tomorrow. She said she didn't want to come in tomorrow. She wants to do it today. I told her unfortunately we can't do that today. She angrily walked out and put the fire alarm.
Hello. So, what was going on?
Good. I came back.
I know. I see you.
I was at the bank, but I had stopped by to cancel membership, and they didn't let me. I just joined, but I was trying to cancel it.
Why?
So I didn't like the. I mean, I have 2 jobs, so I need like a 24-hour job. It wasn't gonna work out. It's like I'm gonna work full time. I won't have time to stop by either. I mean, I didn't want to go through the process and explain to them.
Hold on, let me read this to you first.
Yes.
Okay, so what happened when you came up here today? You said you came up here to
Cancel a membership.
Okay.
They're giving me a hard time to cancel membership. They said I had to pay $100 to cancel. They said I had to pay 3 months to cancel $120. And I told them that made no sense. I'm not going to use the gym. I'm not going to pay $100 to cancel. And I just opened the membership. I guess there was a little back and forth.
So what happened after that?
I mean, I was calling a different store. They said the same thing. But that was about it.
No, so what happened when you left? You was upset and you just walked out the door?
I was on the phone with somebody else. I called a different location.
Okay.
And they said the same thing, that I had to pay 3 months to cancel the $100.
Okay.
And I told them that I just joined, and that's not fair to me because I paid some money to sign up.
Right.
And then I was pretty upset about that. I'm just upset that they don't want to cancel. And I told them to take my card and my routing number off. They said they can't do that they can't take it off. And I told them that they can't steal money from me.
Okay, so when you left out, why did you pull the fire alarm?
I was on the phone. I didn't pull it.
So you're saying you did not pull the fire alarm? So the camera that they have in there is somebody else. It's not you.
I mean, I was on the phone. I was talking to somebody else. I was talking to another.
No. Listen, I understand that you were talking to somebody else. Yeah, I get it. You was on the phone with somebody, with some other crunch that you was trying to. So what I'm saying is,
And then it was pretty shady. I had like an argument with them when I signed up to.
Hold on, before you start veering off somewhere else, I just want to make sure, because just know that you're on body camera, right?
Oh.
So you're saying that you did not pull that fire alarm.
Yeah.
You did not pull it. That's what you're saying. Yes, no? Okay.
Yes.
So the camera. So who was that on that camera that pulled the fire alarm? That was not you. Same height, stature, everything you was wearing. It was not you. Somebody else.
Yeah, it was pretty shady when I signed up, because their membership is like $10. On the website it says it's $10, but when I signed up for it, it said that they were going to charge me. I didn't agree with that. I tried to talk to them about that. They were saying something, and then I tried calling before hours. I called to cancel, and then they told me I had to come in.
Again, so where do you live at?
I live 20 minutes away.
What's your
Military.
What's your address?
Military Force.
Okay, so it's a lot of houses over there on Military Force, ain't it? How do I know it's your house?
With the address?
So listen, you're answering questions like I'm very intelligent. I ask you a simple question. What's your address? You keep giving me roundabout areas.
I don't usually give people my address. I don't tell them where I live.
Am I people? I'm the police, and you are under investigation right now.
Okay.
So you live at Fort Land. I already know. So this conversation is over with. So you continue to keep playing these games. So I am going to listen. I am going to issue a warrant out for your arrest. So goodbye, ma'am. You good to go? No, listen, because that's one game I'm not going to continue to play. No, yes you are. Listen, I am not playing around. No, you're ruining your own life. Nobody told you to pull that fire alarm. You decided you wanted to do that. And then when I'm asking you questions, you're talking to me like I'm one of your boyfriends.
I'm not.
Or some random guy on the street, and you're telling me that you're not going to tell me. Okay, ma'am. Okay, no.
They didn't even cancel.
Ma'am, you are free to go.
I don't want to ruin my life because of
you decided to do this.
I'm not trying to ruin my life because of the gift.
Okay.
I'm not. This place is gonna ruin my life. You're gonna give me. You're gonna give me.
Yes. I am gonna issue a warrant out for your arrest. So it's up to the state attorney.
I'm trying to avoid that.
No. That ship is sailed.
What's going on?
No, you know exactly what's going on.
What's going on?
Oh, okay. I'm issuing a warrant out for your arrest because you pulled the fire alarm.
Please.
No, the ship is sailed. Okay.
What's going on? Why?
I already told you.
So you're gonna?
No, you're going to, not me. You made that decision to pull the fire alarm, not me. And then you continue to lie about it. And then when I ask you what's your address, well, I don't give my address to anybody. Do I look like anybody? You are under an official investigation, a criminal investigation at that. Listen, you are free to go. You don't have to talk to me at all, But you're deciding. I am. Well, get yourself. Listen, go ahead and get yourself a lawyer. You're gonna need one for this case. So because she came back up here, she's outside right now.
Okay.
So I can, but I can't make an arrest. So she said that she was up here and everything, and she was everything that you said, but I ain't pull a fire alarm. Okay. So there is no way that you guys can get anything of her pulling that fire alarm. Y'all have nothing.
Because it's.
I get it. I'm just saying, like.
Did you see her pull it? Does that count? If anyone sees?
If anybody's seen her pull the fire alarm.
You didn't see her? The two people that you talked to.
Yeah, but the lady that you pointed out. Yeah. So she said that it happened behind her. She said if she was walking out, then she heard it. She turned around and she seen the young lady walking. So nobody actually seen her listening. So, all right, no worries. I'm just making sure.
Looks like she just on the desk about 2 minutes ago. Ram ended up being upset, and I think the call taker may have dispatched it because I could hear the deputy in the background.
26. I'm gonna have one black female today. Right, so.
Do you need another deputy there?
Hey, listen, don't do that.
Hey, what are you doing? You're not gonna ruin my entire life. What are you doing?
How are you, sir, deputy?
What are you doing? You're not gonna ruin my life. What are you doing? Oh my God! What are you doing? 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 Stop! 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 What are you doing? Stop!
Give me help!
Help! Help! Help! Help!
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting!
Haters.
Are you trying to kick me?
Help! Help! Ow! You're hurting me! You're hurting me! You're hurting me!
Running from the crunch.
You're hurting me! You're hurting me! Ow!
But stop resisting! Get on your stomach!
Ow! Ow!
Stop kicking me! Let it go! Let your hands go! Stop resisting! Stop resisting!
Traffic.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna spray you. Hey, Taser.
All units 51 code 1, all units are 51 call code 1, 16 carrier today.
Stop moving.
Stop hurting me! Ow! Ow! What is going on?
Relax.
Stop!
Does she need or do you need EMS?
Ow! Stop!
We'll send him just, she can check out.
We'll start EMS that way in 16 carrier 956
How about
district
you
1.
get in the car? Get in the car. Hey, bro, she's strong, bro.
You alright, man? I know.
Yeah.
Beating your ass.
Everything in charge of this social.
Okay?
That's just
No, but
stuff like,
But
I don't
we
know
will
what.
treat you like a lady if you act like a lady. Okay?
I was young. I'm not a criminal. I'm not a criminal. Stop. I'm not. I went to jail.
Again, that's not for the day.
I'm not a criminal.
You guys want to get your pictures now?
Yeah.
Well, how about